Okay, I want to demonstrate how to use this vacuum cleaner. On the top here is a button. If you push it so that it's in the middle, it will vacuum, but the brush will not move. If you push it so it's all the way to this side, it will engage the brush. Also, when you have the vacuum cleaner in this standing lock position, the brush shuts off automatically. So, to release the handle so you can vacuum, you just step on the bottom portion of the vacuum cleaner and then pull the handle back. You'll hear it snap. And then when you push the button, the brush is not engaged, the brush is engaged. Then you just vacuum. The vacuum swivels. And there, when I lock the handle in place, the brush is no longer turning. Now let me show you how to detach the hose. You just turn it counterclockwise, pull it out, and you have detached the hose. You can then attach the crevice device tool. It just pushes in, pushes out. The upholstery turbo eraser pet brush tool. I use that when I'm vacuuming the furniture, and it just pushes in and out of place. To put it back, there's a notch here. You just line that up with the notch in the handle and turn it till it locks into place, and then push the hose back into place. Now when it's time to empty the canister after your vacuum, you just push this button on the top of the handle and then pull the canister out that way. Lift it off. Then to empty the canister, you just push this button and the bottom releases, and it will dump out the contents of the canister. Then to replace it, kind of tilt it back. You do the opposite of what you did to remove it, and it just snaps into place. You can also release this whole handle. It's called the wand release. You just push where it says wand release, pull out, and the whole wand will come out. Then you can use either of the tool attachments on this to reach, I don't know, under the couch, whatever. And then to put it back, you just slide it right back into place until it latches. Push the hose back. There is a setting on the handle here that you should never have to mess with. Low carpet, bare floor, you push this lever up. For plush carpet, you push it down. I leave it in the low carpet, bare floor setting. And then, when I'm done, just wind the cord back onto the holders for the power cord. Just like that.